All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about the window menu keyboard shortcuts. So if I go to window, just real quick so I can show you, you can see some of the keyboard shortcuts here. You have F7 for layers, F8 for info, colors, brush settings, and then action right there. Okay, so those are the ones we're going to talk about. Now the first thing I want to talk about though is the tab key. So if I hit tab, that's going to hide all the tools, and if I hit F and then F again, that's going to get us to full screen mode. Okay, so if I hit F again and hit tab, everything comes back. Okay, now if I hit Alt F9, my actions panel pops up, and if I hit it again, it disappears. Brush settings, if I hit F5, it should pop up and then disappear. Color, if I do F6, it's going to pop up and then disappear. Info, F8. Really, where's info? It should work. There it is. So if I hit F8, it doesn't want to work. Okay. I'm hitting F8. I don't know why it's not working. So I'll just hide it. And then the last one is layers. So if I hit F7, it's going to hide it and then bring it back. Okay. So that's the window menu. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next lecture.